Newspaper rock, sweet petroglyphs. Crazy ancient petroglyphs. Crazy. It's crazy to think these were done like 2,000 or so years ago. It's awesome. Seems to be the nicest section up here. Birds chirping in the morning off to the Grand Canyon today. Holy crap, yesterday was so cool. Canyonlands was so cool. And now we're gonna see the Grand Canyon.